With the increasing consciousness of people towards oral health, dentistry in recent times has evolved as a profession. We at Hazaribagh College of Dental Sciences and Hospital realize this growing need and aspire to rewrite the way the knowledge of dentistry is imparted and give to the society dental experts with a difference. Adopting a holistic approach to the creation of thinking professionals, we offer every student a panoramic view of future dentistry. A future ground with possibilities, opportunities, and fulfillment with assurance of nurturing the individuals.
The aim of our institution is to change the way dental education is imparted in the country. Tomorrow's dentists will be on the cutting edge of technology, using lasers and computer-assisted diagnosis, making the practice of dentistry more challenging and rewarding. In this ever-evolving global scenario, we aim to make students who are ready to face these scientific and technological challenges.
HCDSH is a unit of Sarvamangalam Educational and Welfare Society. The college is run by Srinivas Group under the experienced guidance of Mr. Srinivas along with a team of doctors. Our recognitions make us a reliable choice for the study of dental sciences. Our college offers a degree in Bachelor in Dental Surgery with an extensive and thorough syllabus. The study of the specially designed course equips our students to choose their area of specialization and reach their expertise beyond the traditional role of a dentist. Our college has been successfully running various departments which strive to provide the students with practical and theoretical knowledge. Fully furnished classrooms, well-stocked library, distinct labs and state-of-the-art lecture halls with LCD projector and overhead projectors make the studying experience enriching and fulfilling for our students. We also understand the importance of giving a comfortable and home-like environment to our students.
My experience here has been very incredible. The social and friendly environment in college, as well as when we are in the hostel, it feels like home.
Spacious and hygienic canteens and access to various recreational activities ensure that our students remain healthy and fit.
It is the environment in the college that makes us feel so much at ease. There are many sports facilities here for us, so after a long day of studies, we have a lot of recreational activities to look forward to. It really works like a stress buster.
The facilities offered by us have brought us students of diverse ethnicities. This in itself is a testimony of a reputation in the field of education.
And the best thing about our college, according to me, is the cultural diversity. There are students from all over India. We probably wouldn't have got to know about so many different countries had we not been part of this college. I've lots of friends from Northeast.
Our college has been honored to have the most experienced dental experts in their own specialities with great teaching experience at India's premier institutions.
The members of the staff, lecturers, are very friendly and approachable. They come down to our level and explain things they don't understand. The tutors know us really well. They make sure they get to know our specific strengths and weaknesses and they guide us along.
Our faculty is completely committed to the success of our students by imparting world-class education and training.
We are exposed to various methods of teaching here. There are the traditional lectures along with many tutorials and small group teaching. We have problem-based learning which is very favorable for us. We are trained in a way that we become experts in treating patients in the future.
This is an excellent time to choose dentistry as a career, and our college is the best to help you achieve your dreams. As our striving intellectual community continues to expand and grow, we continue to set ambitious goals for our students. We transform them into complete oral care experts who spread a healthy smile. We invite students to come and take part in what could well be the most enriching and enjoyable years of their lives.
Welcome to HCDSH.